It's like, how do you take it, clean up the surface, add that kind of luxury inside. The whole thing's from recycled polyester, and when you're done with this garment, when it's beat up and worn up 10 years from now, you return it to us, we'll turn it back into another piece. What we're really trying to do with NAO is not only just design something that performs, which is sort of the traditional sport paradigm, design something that's much more beautiful, that has maybe been less the sport paradigm and more in the fashion world. And the base beat is it always has to be sustainable.
Everybody that's involved in this company, whether it be in the design end of things, the business end of things, or every place in between, is really passionate about the outdoors, the environments, social causes.
Essentially what they've done is take this sportswear retailing experience and picked up every single aspect of it, rethought it, reshaped it, and created what's here before us today.
Although it's not immediately apparent, every dimension of the design of the web front was considered from a sustainability point of view. So for example, those fixtures are made from FSC certified wood. It's formaldehyde free. The curtains in the change rooms at the back, those are made from recycled leather. All of the lighting has been considered to try to find energy efficient lighting for the store environment. If I'm interested in this particular shirt here, you'll notice there's a little card and there's the name of the style, there's a picture of it, and there's a little description of it and the price. We refer to this as the product tree. I simply scan the barcode reader. That immediately brings up the product detail page that tells me the performance story, the sustainability story. We've enabled a self-service transaction capability, just as if you're shopping online on a website. So I come up to this interactive device, I choose the size that I want, and then it asks me what the quantity is. Let's say I want 2 of them. We give 5% of every sale to one of our Partners for Change, one of the nonprofit organizations. Some of them are environmental organizations, some of them are social and humanitarian organizations.
If each garment that we did came with here's the list of things you should use it for, but don't do these things, that'd be a sad day.
What we're doing isn't immediately conclusive, and I think this has been the reaction that we've had aesthetically to anything that's been athletic or outdoor. As much as we try to, we're not beating nature, so high quality goose down that is incredibly warm, compacts, but then turns into an extremely warm piece. And I think once again, all recycled polyester on the face fabric and recyclable down, naturally renewable resource.
It's asking me what shipping methodology I want, so of course I'm going to choose standard shipping, which is free. Now the customer isn't taking the inventory out of the store. It's being shipped to them from a centralized warehouse facility. That means we don't have to have all of this inventory sitting in the store. We're not using as many materials and resources to build the store. The store is smaller, therefore the heating bill and the electricity bill go down. It's both economically efficient as well as environmentally efficient.
This, for the first time, was an opportunity to express ourselves in such a way that kind of connected all the dots, if you will, of sustainability, the act of creativity, and as Mark said, redesigning or designing something from the ground up.
You can redesign the way a corporation should be, the way a company should be, the way fashion should be, the way a product would be, to really undo some of the pretty negative impacts that producing something can have.